Good morning, students. We are revising here the first chapter once again here, and the topic is functions. Types of functions we have here. The first one is one or injective function. The meaning of one function is that every element of domain has single image and unique image in codomain, which means every element of domain has different image in codomain. If this kind of relation is given here, that is known as one mapping or one function. Look at here, the function f1 defined from set A to set B, whereas the square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9. So, in according to ordered pair, I write here f1 equals to 1 1 2 4 3 9. A सेट में जितने भी एलिमेंट हैं उनके डिफरेंट इमेजेस इधर अवेलेबल है. कोई भी दो एलिमेंट जाकर इधर किसी एक से कनेक्ट नहीं हुए. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल्ड इट वन मैपिंग. ये इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन का तरीका है. दिस वन आल्सो नोन एज इंजेक्टिव फंक्शंस. नाउ द सेकंड थिंग इज many one function. According to this one, we have two different sets C and D here. In this, the element in C set are given as minus 1, 1, 2, 3. In D are 1, 4, 9, 16 as given above. And the relation is same, square of this one. But what is the square of minus 1 here? 1. What is the square of plus 1 here? Again 1. What is the square of 2 here? 4. What is the square of 3 here? 9. So now what we look here? Two elements of same set C having the same image in D. That's why we called it many one function. Which means डोमेन में एक से ज्यादा ऐसे एलिमेंट होंगे जिनकी कोडोमेन में सेम इमेज होगी. इट मीन्स है कि ये जो चीज है वो इधर वाली इमेज एक से अधिक एलिमेंट से कनेक्टेड रहती है. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल्ड इट मैनी वन मैपिंग, मैनी वन फंक्शन. तो दीज आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शंस. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेक्स्ट द थर्ड वन onto and the fourth one into mapping or into functions. Now the third one is onto or surjective function. In this case, every element of domain having an image in codomain and codomain and range are same, which means there is no element exist in B which are not having any pre-image in set A. B में एक भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जिसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग A में कोई प्री इमेज नहीं हो. ऐसा यदि फंक्शन डिफाइन है तो हम उसे कहते हैं ऑन टू मैपिंग. हियर इज 1 रिलेटेड विद 1, 2 स्क्वायर 4, 3 स्क्वायर 9, 4 स्क्वायर 16. There is no element here exist which is not having any pre-image in set A. So F3 is right as 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. That's why we said that it is onto mapping. But if any element in set B not having any pre-image in A, then it is called into mapping or into function. Just like this, C and D. 25 in set D does not have any pre-image in set C. That's why we called it into function or into mapping. So there are 4 types of classification for function. Now according to these 4, we can generate more 4 functions. Like if any function such as it is given like it is onto and 1 1 also. Look, the 1 1 condition is fulfilled here and the onto condition is also fulfilled here. So the fifth type is 1 1 onto function. 1 1 fifth one. 1 1 onto. And if like this 1 1 is applicable here, but into is also. So the sixth type is 1 1 into mapping. And if two or more elements having same image in codomain, that kind of function is said to be many one. Then we can say that these kind of are many one onto. Many one onto. Like -1 we write here and it is also connected this one. Then we can say that it is many one and onto is already, because there is no any element here we have which does not have any pre-image in set A. That's why we called it onto. So this kind of example is many one onto. And the nth type is like this one. If -1 we write here and it connected with this one, then we are saying that it is many one into mapping. So these are the four ways. If 1 1 onto mapping is given there, it is also known as bijective. The second name of this one 1 1 onto is bijective, whereas onto is also known as surjective and 1 1 is also known as injective. Now we are talking about composition of functions. Suppose we have three sets here, A, B and C. A function defined from set A to set B, F, and the another function defined from set B to C, G. X is the element of set A, then Fx are the element of set B and G of Fx are the element of C. So F is defined from A to B, it is a function, and G is defined from B to C. Then GOF is always defined from A to C directly. It is our GOF. G of Fx, known as GOF. And the vice versa. From C to A is for. It is GOF and that is for. The inverse of reverse order of this GOF. It is called as composition of functions. तो टू और मोर फंक्शंस हमारे पास हो तो हम उनका एक कंपोजिशन सेट कर सकते हैं कि उन्हें एक साथ ऑपरेट किया जाए, कि जैसे पहले x एलिमेंट a सेट का है जिसके ऊपर फंक्शन f जब ऑपरेट किया जाता है तो fx मिलता है, वो fx b का एलिमेंट हो और इस पर जब g के अकॉर्डिंग जो रिलेशन दे रखा है वो ऑपरेट किया जाए तो गॉफ मिलता है जो c का एलिमेंट कहलाता है. तो दिस इज नॉन एज कंपोजिशन ऑफ functions. Now here we have a function f which is defined on set of real numbers, is given as fx equals to 2x minus 1, and g is also defined on real numbers, gx equals to x square plus 2. We have to find out GOF of x. GOF function पता कर. So first we have to write GOF of x as g of fx, like this, g of fx. What is fx here? 2x minus 1. So substitute the value of fx here, 2x minus 1. Now it seems like gx, this one is x. But what is the exact value of gx we have here? X square plus 2. So substitute the value of x as 2x minus 1. We are going to substitute the value of x here, 2x minus 1, in that gx. So 2x minus 1 whole square plus 2. Going to open this one. 4x square minus 4x plus 1 plus 2, which is equals to 4x square minus 4x plus 3. It is GOF. And if we want to find out fog here, that is f of gx. So first we have to substitute the value of gx here. What is gx? X square plus 2. And now it seems like fx. And the value of x is here, x square plus 2. So substitute the value of x at this place. So we get here 2 into x square plus 2 minus 1. Going to open the bracket. So twice of x square plus 4 minus 3. So twice of x square plus 1. It is fog. So what you look here, GOF and fog are different values. They are not equal to each other. That is, fog and GOF are not equal. If these are equal, fog and GOF, which means both the functions are having equal value. Or if fog and GOF are identical, suppose GOF of x is ix and fog of y is iy, like this, identical, then we are saying that the function f is invertible and g is inverse of that function f. So if these are fog and GOF are identical, then it is said to be invertible function. Now we are talking about invertible function and inverse of a function. A function f is defined from set A to B, and g is defined from B to A, such that GOF of x is identical of x function and fog of y is iy. If x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. In this situation, if GOF and fog are identical, then we are saying that g is inverse function of f and f is called invertible function. So when we called f is invertible, if fog and GOF both are identical, then g is said to be inverse function of f, and it is always represented by f inverse. But it is compulsory that f should be 1-1 onto मैपिंग. ये जरूरी है कि f 1-1 onto, क्योंकि यदि ये onto की जगह into मैपिंग आपने शो कर दी तो आप जानते हैं कि a to b तो f डिफाइन हो जाएगा, लेकिन जब इनवर्स की बात करेंगे तो b में कोई एलिमेंट into होने की वजह से ऐसे मिलेंगे जिनका इमेज इधर a में नहीं मिलने वाला है और वो फंक्शन ही नहीं होगा. So it is compulsory that f should be 1-1 onto, तभी उसका इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट करेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं करेगा. अब हाउ वी कैन शो एनी फंक्शन इज 1-1 एंड onto. एक एग्जांपल से इसको भी चेक कर लेते हैं कि 1-1 और onto प्रूव कैसे किया जाता है, जिससे आपका फर्स्ट चैप्टर का रिवीजन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. We have a function f which is defined on real numbers such as fx equals to 4x plus 3 for every x belongs to R, real numbers. So we are going to check here, prove here this function is 1-1 onto or not. Let for 1-1 mapping, how we can check it? Let x1 and x2, these are the two elements belongs to domain R. Such as x1 is not equals to x2. So what is the coefficient of x here? 4. So we are going to multiply by 4 both sides. So 4x1 is also not equals to 4x2. Adding 3 in both sides. 4x1 plus 3 is also not equals to 4x2 plus 3. That's why we called it fx1, which is not equals to fx2. It shows us if the two different values in domain, then their images are also different in codomain, which means f is 1-1. यदि डोमेन के दो अलग अलग वैल्यू के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग कोडोमेन में भी दो अलग अलग इमेज मिलती हैं तो हम इसे कहते हैं 1-1 मैपिंग. अगेन लेट फोर एक्स प्लस 3 is equals to y. Shifting plus 3 in other side, y minus 3 and divide by 4. X is y minus 3 by 4. Since it is equals to fx, so if we are shifting f in direction of y, then it is called f inverse y. So for every value of y belongs to real number, there exists a x belongs to a real number. यहाँ y की कोई भी वैल्यू रखें जो रियल नंबर से बिलोंग करती है, -3 करने के बाद उसमें 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो भी एक रियल नंबर ही आएगा. इट मीन्स है कि कोडोमेन के रियल नंबर के हर एक वैल्यू के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग डोमेन में कोई ना कोई प्री इमेज एग्जिस्ट करती है, जिसका मीन ये है कि ये ऑन टू मैपिंग है. Therefore, f is onto. Since it is 1-1 and onto mapping, that's why f inverse is exist here, and the f inverse function is given by this. This is the inverse function. f inverse y equals to y minus 3 upon 4. क्योंकि ये फंक्शन 1-1 भी है और onto भी है, इसलिए f इनवर्स की एग्जिस्टेंस होगी और f इनवर्स y इसी तरीके से दिया जाएगा. इट इज द रिवीजन ऑफ चैप्टर 1.